Let's see how you can easily install chatbot templates on multiple accounts and also uninstall them anytime you want. So here I'm in a demo account. If you go to the marketing tools, here you have the option to create chatbot templates as you like and easily copy flows and other content to other accounts in minutes. So let's imagine this is a demo account, and here I want to install a chatbot template to a different account which is called as demo 2. So if you want to install just one flow, for example, here if you want to install this only one single flow, you also have the option to copy to another account and simply choose that specific account right here and install it right away. Otherwise, if you want to install multiple elements, flows, keywords, triggers, tags, and even other tools like AI agents, and also if you want to install Facebook comment automation tools, pipelines, then the best way is to install it as a template where you can copy all these content along with the flows as well. So let me create a sample template over here and show you how to install it. So before that, let's check which flow we are going to install as a template. So let's imagine we want to install this IG VIP list sign up on demo 2 account. Currently this is actually in the demo account. I want to install this on a demo 2 account. So this is the flow as well. So let's imagine we want to install this flow as a template. So here I'm in the marketing tools templates. So let me create a new template and let me say demo template, and here you have the option to customize this template as you like. So when installing, if you want to create a new folder, you can do that. Otherwise, if you want to just install right here in the flow section without any folders over here, it will install right here. You can actually disable this option as well. So let's keep this in a new folder, and here you have to choose the flow. So the flow name is IG VIP list sign up. So let me copy this flow name over here and just search for that flow name. So this is the flow name. All right. So here you can set the permission, view and edit. Otherwise, if you want to just install where they cannot edit or view, then you can simply choose this option. But if you want to allow them to view and edit, you can enable this option as well. So like this, you can choose any flows you want to install. Apart from that, you can actually send pipelines, AI agents, AI functions, triggers, entry point links, Facebook comments automation, keywords, web chats, calendars, products, settings. So you can actually copy or create templates using all these elements and simply install this on the other accounts. But for this example, I'm just going to install only this particular flow only. And here you can even auto update the installed templates as well, and also you can also provide the permission to delete installed templates as well. So let me enable both of these options over here, and here you have other options too. So here auto update, so when you update the template in the original account, which is the demo account, it will get updated to all the installed accounts as well when you update the template. And here you can also delete the installed template from the demo account itself as well. So here you have more control as an agency to manage the templates installed on your client's accounts as well. So let me click save over here. All right, it has been saved, and this is the demo template and it says installs 0. So let's copy the link. So get the link over here and paste that link right there. So this is the template link, and here if you click on install, it will show all the available accounts for you to install. So here let me install this on the demo 2 account, and it has been installed. So here it says demo template, and here you see the exact flow right here in the demo 2 account. So now if I go back to the templates and let me refresh the page over here, it says installs 1, and here you can check the analytics as well. So here it's actually installed in the demo 2 account. But if you want to uninstall this one, you can do that. And apart from that, if you want to make any sort of updates, for example, so here IG VIP list sign up, and let's imagine I want to update this right here. Change the cash advance to 9,500. All right, I just change it right here in the original account and click published. So now you also need to go to the marketing tools and choose templates, and here this is the template installed, and here you don't need to change anything because this is just a single flow. Just click save over here. So that will simply update the installed template on all these accounts. So if I go back to the demo 2 account, so let me go to the flow section, open the demo template and IG VIP list sign up. Now we should see the pricing get updated to 9,500 because that's how we actually update that particular template in the demo account as well. So you can also install these templates as you like as well without even accessing this demo 2 account. So here demo 2, we have this demo template installed as well. So now if I go here and choose view analytics, and here demo 2 shows, let me uninstall this one. Do you want to install this template from the page demo 2? Yes, install. Alright, so it has been installed now. So now if I go to the demo 2 account, let me go to the flow section, and as you can see here, we no longer see that particular template installed. We simply installed that particular template right from this demo account. So that's how you can easily control your template installed on multiple accounts easily as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily use chatbot templates to manage multiple accounts. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.